Good morning students, myself Kavita Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 4 fractional numbers. In this chapter our topic is word problems. Let's solve one by one. Question number 1. One plum cake weight 3 upon 4 kg. If Mr. Ramesh buys 5 such cakes, how many kilogram did he buy? Write down solution and tell me what we have to do in this question. Multiplication or division? See, weight of one cake is given and find out more. So what we have to do? Yes, multiplication. So the first statement is weight of one cake is equal to 3 upon 4 kilogram. How many cakes Ramesh buy? Yes, 5 such cakes. So write down second statement. Number of cakes is equal to 5. And the third statement is weight of 5 cakes is equal to 3 upon 4 multiplied by 5 upon 1. Here I see numerator and denominator are not divisible by the same number. So do the multiplication. Numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 3 5s are 15 and 4 1s are 4. So the fraction is 15 upon 4. But it is an improper fraction. So we will convert them into mixed number. And everyone knows how we will convert them into mixed number. So divide 15 by 4 and the answer is 3 upon 4 kilogram. And the last statement is Mr. Ramesh buys 3 upon 4 kilogram plum cake. Solve one more question. Question number 2. The cost of 1 kilogram apples is rupees 25 1 upon 2. What is the cost of 1.5 kilogram apples? Write down solution and tell me what we have to do in this question. Multiplication or division? See, cost of 1 kilogram apples is given and find out more. If 1 is given and find out more, what we have to do? Yes, multiplication. So do the multiplication in this question. So first statement is cost of 1 kilogram apples is equal to rupees 25 1 upon 2. But 25 1 upon 2 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into a proper fraction. 25 2s are 50 and 50 plus 1 51. So the fraction is 51 upon 2. And the second statement is total weight of apples is equal to 1.5 kg. Again 1 upon 2 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 2 1s are 2 and 2 plus 1 3. So the fraction is 3 upon 2 kilogram. And the third statement is cost of 1.5 kilogram apples is equal to 51 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2. Again we see the numerator and denominator are not divisible by the same number. So do the multiplication. 51 3s are 153 and 2 2s are 4. So the fraction is 153 upon 4. But it is an improper fraction. So first we convert them into mixed number and everyone knows how we will convert them into mixed number. So the answer is 38 1 upon 4. So the last statement is cost of 1 upon 2 kilogram apples is rupees 38 1 upon 4. Rupees 38 1 upon 4 means 38 rupees 25 paisa. Let's solve one more question. Question number 3. Neha spends 3 by 5 hours a day in morning exercise. How many hours does she spend in morning exercise in 1 week? See, time for 1 day is given and we have to find out for a week. That is 7 days. Means less is given and find out more. What we have to do? Yes, multiplication. So the first statement is time Neha takes to exercise in 1 day is equal to 3 upon 5 hours. And the second statement is number of days in a week is equal to 7. And the third statement is time Neha takes to exercise in 7 days is equal to 3 upon 5 multiplied by 7 upon 1. Here I see numerator and denominator both are not divisible by the same number. So do the multiplication. Numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. 3 7s are 21 and 5 1s are 5. So the fraction is 21 upon 5. But 21 upon 5 is a improper fraction. So first we convert them into mixed number and everyone knows how we will convert them into mixed number. So divide 21 by 5 and the answer is for 1/5 hours. And the last statement is Neha spent for 1/5 hours in morning exercise in 1 week. Let's solve one more question. A pile of class 5 mathematics books has thickness of 14.2/5 centimeter. If each book is 1.5 centimeter thick, find how many books make up the pile. Let us try with a simple example. A pile of class 5 mathematics books has thickness of 10 centimeter. If each book is 2 centimeter thick, find how many books make up the pile. In this question, thickness of one book is 2 centimeter. How many books can you pile in 10 centimeter thickness? Yes, the answer is 5 books. So what we have to do in this question? Division. Write down the solution. The first statement is thickness of pile of mathematics books is equal to 14.2/5 centimeter. 14.2/5 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 14 5s are 70 and 70 plus 2 72. So the fraction is 72/5 centimeter. The second statement is thickness of one mathematics book is equal to 1/5 centimeter. Again 1/5 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 5 1s are 5 and 5 plus 1 6. So the fraction is 6/5 centimeter. And the third statement is number of books make up the pile is equal to 72/5 divided by 6/5. Write 72/5 as it is. Change division sign to multiplication sign and write reciprocal of the divisor, which is 5/6. Here I see both 5's are divisible by the same number 5. So cancel them out by 5. 5 1s are 5. Again 5 1s are 5. Again 72 and 6 both are divisible by the same number 6. So cancel them out by 6. 6 12s are 72 and 6 1s are 6. Now it cannot be further simplified. So do the multiplication. 12 1s are 12 and 1 1s are 1. So the fraction is 12/1 and 12/1 means 12. So the last statement is 12 books make up the pile. Let's solve one more question. A thickness of mathematics book of class 5 is 1/4 centimeter. What will be the thickness of a pile of 16 such book? Write down the solution and tell me what we have to do in this question. See, the thickness of one book is given and find out the thickness of 16 such books. Less is given, find out more. So we have to do multiplication. So the first statement is thickness of one math book is equal to 1/4 centimeter, and 1/4 is a mixed number. So first we convert them into improper fraction. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. So the fraction is 5/4 centimeter. The second statement is number of books is equal to 16. And the third statement is thickness of a pile of 16 books is equal to 5/4 multiplied by 16/1. Here I see 4 and 16 both are divisible by the same number 4. So cancel them out by 4. 4 4s are 16 and 4 1s are 4. Now it cannot be further simplified. So do the multiplication. 5 4s are 20. So the answer is 20 centimeter. And the last statement is thickness of a pile of 16 such book is 20 centimeter. I hope you all understand word problems. So complete lesson 4, worksheet 9 once in Maths CW and the book also, because practice makes a man perfect. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.